Everybody and welcome to Crazy Club. Okay. May look like I'm pretty low health because I was okay, my scroll is working now because the first hour wasn't working. Let me get my lovely sword, and I got the table. So there's a thing where this block here, I get a little handle on it, and if I attach them all, I can make something fly. So I can make this whole house fly, and my plan was I can make a flying house go everywhere. Then look, I got a watch this guy, watch Little Cat. That's nice. And we're going to extend the house a bit, so I'm going to break this. Slow little house. And this wood is very hard to come by. I don't have a lot. That's why we need the chicken chest. It's gone now. What's that? There's a cheap version on the iPad where you just throw that and it does like damage. Gothor's hammer first spawns lightning. Pretty good. Yeah, wait, I want to show what I killed. Okay. Yeah, a lot of health. Extremely hard to kill. But I am now. It's genius. Wait. I want to check is this a fast swimmer or not? Where's my map? Hang on. What's a fast swimmer at all? Right, just gonna quickly get my map up. That's not what I mean. Bear with. Oh, that's not it. It's new modern. Get off. Okay, it's up now. Okay. Now where were we extending the house? Also, I am also a love garden, not copyright at all. I don't know what you're on about, but still, we can put YouTubers that site or any of your channels. If you put a comment, I would put your channel on it. I'll do it once every episode or week. So yeah, I'll build that at some point. That's not even. Yeah. Not even symmetrical. We don't just leave it. Do this quick look around out there. Oh. Flop. Oh. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really good in this mod. To be honest. There's the background. Okay. Thank you.
You can shut the bloody door, okay?
Mum, calm down. Jesus Christ.
Every time. I have to take my time twice as much in a minute.
So nice.
It comes through the door, okay? She shuts the door every single time, okay? But don't, you said about Liam throwing stuff around, but you're just as bad. But you can break it. You can break it.
Oh. Ignore everything now. loud. It's okay. It's quite boring, I know. You've had people, like Smithy Doctor. He does have a PC. Tommy could be a sort of good join series. Or Jim. I think that's his channel now. But we plan to do Rest of the Moon together with all of them. Pretty much copying a certain channel that we do not talk about. It's got a whole bunch of channels for that rather. Well, I drowned him. Sorry. Okay, almost done this. Well, it's a bad sign because now you can't really see that. But let's just leave it. We'll look from the outside. Listen to my voice, don't worry about in the background. Weirdly enough, that hurt my throat. Oh. Oh, this is a bossing race. No. Oh, I can build. Oh. Oh. I've got a car. I can, if I get on a phone, I can make this, wait, okay. I'm gonna do that next video, make a car. This is a good conversation. Taxwids. Okay. Can I get one more high? Oh, dinner plate. Oh yeah, I could have a dinner plate. Smash. I'm just gonna leave that like that sort of thing. Sorry, we have just felt times here, very low hearts and skeletons outside. Out the window. Bye.